Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we bring you the part 2 of the Biu Sao tutorial, furthering on applications, footwork, and structure. It's from our Wing Chun training program, but before we go there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support.
So we're going to continue with the Biu. So footwork, really simple. I just want to start with this. We're going to start cross arm just as your warm up. He's going to step in. I want you to half step back with your Biu. Just using the half step, create space. Jut punch, Pak punch. We had done this, just using this as your warm up. We started this drill where you know your distance was right and he threw the punch, so you didn't have much movement. So this drill helps dictate you understand your distance appreciation. Here he's stepping a little deeper. If he steps in deep, I'm going to be too tight in here. So I want to manage my distance, half step back, step up, jut punch, and 2. I'm just using this as a warm up. Get a partner, minute each side you guys go. So one more time, half step back, Biu Sao, jut, Pak. Okay, can we warm up with step and show the punch? Half step back, Biu Sao. So here, did you ask me the other day if you go on top or underneath? Yes. Jut Sao. In this case, you're fine if you want to go out, as long as you're tuning against your own arm, right? Or again, you can Biu Sao and I can turn here from underneath, all right? It's no big deal because he's so much taller than me. When you're dealing with a taller person, it's a lot easier to chun on top. So half step back, Biu Sao, chun along your arm, Jut Sao, and then we're back here, 1 and 2, all right? Half step back, creating space, Jut Sao, Jut Sao, 1 and 2. If you guys are, if you're at the same height or he's shorter than you, Biu Sao, Jut Sao, 1 and 2. So your drill should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody okay with that?
For practical application, how fast do you have to do that exchange? Because, I mean, obviously you're taking a step back, so you shouldn't get hit, but if you misjudge, right, that's very quick.
It's quick. You're moving right off it. So as I'm coming through this, remember the reality is going to dictate too. He's going to be pulling that hand back, which means I'm going to be going forward with that too, right? Because, you know, we had covered that. He's going to take it and jab it back like we did the other night, which we're going to tie in today. So when he shoots that, I'm just creating some space here, but he's pulling it back, so I'm going to use that chin to move it also to cover that distance.
But if your distance is wrong and he's closer than you think, your step isn't big enough.
No, it's got to be real fast Jut Sao. Okay? All right, go to work. Round punch comes in. I just want you to half step in, Biu and punch. Okay, nice and simple. Half step in, Biu and punch. Minute left, minute right, and switch. That's it. 1 minute each side. Okay, throw straight around off of either hand. So he's throwing the straight, but what I want you to do is when you block, come in and take your shot. Throws the round, same thing, come in and don. Throws it straight off the other hand, same thing, block and work your way in. Throws the round, don and come back in. So all dons, right? Block and hit, bounce off blocks, right? Pak Sao hit, Biu Sao hit. Either hand goes, straight or round off of either hand. Just bounce off of the don sound. That is your Sifu's favorite thing. Don't make me look bad. That's all I got to say. Punch, right? Either one. I want you to Biu and punch and bounce off. So there'll be a 2-piece, right? So it's the Biu and punch and bounce off. All right? The Pak Sao is going to be opposite. If he throws the straight punch, you're going to Pak-Don and then check and go over the top, right? So if he throws the straight punch, I'm checking, hitting, come back, check and hit, right? He throws the round punch, I'm going to Biu and hit and step back over with the overhand. So on the other side, maybe we do round punch come in, Biu and punch, step through in, right? Straight punch comes in, Pak. So here's your Pak-Don off 1, come back over the top 2. So you got 2 pieces on it. Okay? Yeah, all right, man, go.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.